They are everywhere. I mean, everywhere. They're trying to get in. Help, help, they're trying to get in. No, they live up in the attic. And they go in a little hole above my AC unit there. There goes one. Oh, he didn't get in. They just are swarming. There goes one. He got in. There's another one. Oop. I have never seen them this thick. I just wonder how many really is in that attic. Oh my God. And this is like been going on for an hour now. Trying to get. Oh, there's one on the. Did you see him or her? Whatever. They are swarming trying to get in before daylight. Oh, I never realized they landed on top of the little buggers. I know they're dangerous. Everybody says they're dangerous, but they do eat mosquitoes and other bugs, and probably ought to put a little ledge there so they could get in easier. I mean, it's just a little bitty hole, like a 1/4 inch wide and 6 inches long, you know. But they managed to get in.
Oh shit. You definitely a bad motherfucker. Let's go kick some more ass, Don.
Ausgezeichnet, Leute. Ja.
I mean, they're just little things, you know, when their wings are in. So you can imagine they could scrunch right down, no problem. Unbelievable. I thought that they probably had another way to get in, but it looks like this is it. I mean, as many as there is trying to get in that one hole. Wow. I do got bats in my belfry. Okay. Alright guys, if you liked a little short video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, don't. It's fine with me. You have a great day. If you really like this kind of stuff, subscribe. And I have videos from time to time about different stuff. Take care and have a great day. And I'm going to watch my bats. Bye.